Relation to all my BD teaching channel. Today we'll discuss about functions for 7th standard students of CBSE course for NCERT mathematics books. Dear students, today we'll discuss about functions and types of functions. So students, please give your attention in this figure. This is the first figure. This is the whole figure divided into equal parts. We will take one part. So this part is half of the whole part. That means 1 by 2. Similarly, in second figure, we will take two parts. This figure is divided into 5 equal parts. We will take two parts. So these two parts will be 2 by 5. That means 2 out of equal 5 parts. We will take 2 out of 5 equal parts from 5 equal parts. So this is the 2 by 5. Similarly, in third picture, this is the picture of a circle. This circle is divided into 4 parts. We will take one part. So this part will be 1/4 of the whole part. That means 1 by 4. So from these pictures and numerical representation, we can easily learn what is function. Function means one part is taken out of whole in equally. That means if we will take 1 out of 2 equal parts, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, if we will take 2 out of 5 equal parts, that means 2 by 5. So in case of function, we will get numerator and denominator. That means f equal to n by d. Here n is the numerator, d is the denominator, and also d is not equal to 0. That means denominator cannot be 0. For example, 1 by 2, here numerator equal to 1. This is the upper part of a function is numerator and lower part of a function is denominator. So here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Similarly, 2 by 5. Here numerator is 1, denominator is 5. Similarly, 1 by 4, numerator is 1, denominator is 4. So from these examples, we can easily learn about the function. That means 1 by 2. 1 is taken out of 2 equal parts. Similarly, 2 by 5, 2 is taken out of 5 equal parts. Similarly, 1 by 4, 1 is taken out of 4 equal parts. So from these examples, we learn what is function. Then we will go different types of function. Functions are 4 types. First is proper function, second is improper function, third is mixed function, and fourth is equivalent function. So first we will discuss about proper function. What is proper function? Proper function is a function represented a part of a whole. Represented a part of a whole. For example, 1 by 2. That means 1 is taken out of 2 equal parts, a part of a whole. That means a whole figure is divided into equal parts. We will take only 1. That means 1 by 2. Similarly, 2 by 3. That means a picture is divided into 3 equal parts. We will take 2. That means 2 by 3. Similarly, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. So from these examples, it can be concluded that numerator is less than denominator. 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 So in case of proper function, numerator is always less than denominator. Then we will go to improper function. What is improper function? It is a combination of a whole and a proper function. For example, 7 by 4, 5 by 3, it indicates in these examples denominator numerator comparison. That means numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So in case of improper function, numerator is always greater than denominator. So improper function can be converted to mixed function, and also mixed function can be converted into improper function. Then we will go to mixed function. What is mixed function? So please give your attention. What is mixed function? Mixed function, it is a combination of a whole and a proper function. It is a combination of a whole and a proper function. For example, 3 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole 1 by 2, 4 whole 1 by 2, 3 whole 1 by 3. So from these examples, this is the whole number, this is the proper function. This is the whole number, this is the proper function. That means 3 whole 1 by 2. Here whole number is 3, proper function is 1 by 2. Similarly, 2 whole 1 by 2, whole number is 2, proper function is 1 by 2. Similarly, 4 whole 1 by 2, 4 is the whole number, 1 by 2 is the proper function. 3 whole 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is the proper function, 3 is the whole. So these are the mixed functions. So mixed function is a combination of a whole and a proper function. So it can be converted to improper function, and improper function can be converted or written to mixed function. So mixed function, improper functions are correlated. That means mixed function can be written as improper function and improper function can be written as mixed function. Then we will go to equivalent function. What is equivalent function? If we multiply any whole number in numerator and denominator, we will get another new function that is equivalent of original function. For example, 2 by 3. Here we will multiply 2 in both numerator and denominator. So here numerator is 2, 2 into 2 divided by, here denominator is 3, so 3 into 2. We will get 4 by 6. Similarly, so 4 by 6 is the equivalent function of 2 by 3. Similarly, 3 by 5, in case we will multiply 3 in both numerator and denominator. So the new function is 9 by 15. So 9 by 15 is the equivalent function of 3 by 5. Similarly, 1 by 3, here numerator is multiplied with 4 and also denominator 3 is multiplied with 4. So the new function is 4 by 12. This is the equivalent function of 1 by 3. So we learned from different types of function. They are what? Proper function, improper function, mixed function, equivalent functions. So finally we learn 4 types of function, that is proper function, improper function, mixed function, and also equivalent function. So give your attention in these special learning activities by representation with the picture. This is the picture of a rectangle whose opposite sides are equal and each angle is right angle. So this picture is divided into equal parts. So this part is half of whole part and also this part is half of whole part. So this is the 1 by 2, this is the 1 by 2. Similarly, kindly see this picture. This picture is divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will take these 2 parts. So these 2 parts can be written as function 2 by 5. That means we will take 2 out of 5 equal parts. This is the function. So from these examples and picture representation, we learned about function and its types, different types of function. So I hope that students, you will see this video from beginning to ending, then like video, share video, press bell icon and subscribe if you see this video for the first time for the new next teaching learning tips and teaching video for 7th standard students of CBSE course for NCERT book for English medium students. Thank you.